Hey YouTube, I'm back with a random vlog about my iPad Pro. This is the 11-inch model and let me unlock it first. I'm using an old iPad mini as a stand for this. And I got it last Friday, but I haven't brought it out of home yet because I'm so afraid that I would dent it or scuff it somehow. So I went to the Apple store today to pick up some stuff. And there's this, the Symmetry 360 by OtterBox. So this is only sold at the Apple store for now, and it comes with only this color. For some reason, the case is quite hard to get because I think everyone just realized that this is available, and we don't need to buy cheap Taobao cases or the Smart Folio anymore. So it's this color. It comes with this flap. Pop it in, and you can use it like a Smart Folio. But the difference is, and the biggest difference, is that it covers 3 sides completely. Alright, so let me try to put it in. This. So that's done. Close. Okay, so you know the magnets work, and then the pencil. And close. So it's pretty compact. Everything is, I guess the green somehow blends in. The camera bump. There's quite a bit of clearance there. It does feel heavier now. Still quite slim. I wish this was in a black or navy blue though. But this will do for a couple of months until nicer cases come out. But I think if I'm traveling and I need to throw this into a bag, this will definitely protect the iPad Pro. In fact, it seems quite sturdy and protective. So the only problem probably is when you want to flip open this thing, you probably need to nudge it from here because the magnet's still quite strong and a pencil will drop out. You try to dig in from here, so maybe from here, just dig it out, open. So if you use it in this mode, it seems quite alright. This mode, I think this is about the same price as the Smart Folio. It's not too bad. Just wish that this comes in a nicer color. Apparently you can get the black one already, or you can pre-order the black one from OtterBox US website, but not from Apple. Inside material is microfiber-ish material. It's not so dense. This faux leather texture feels quite durable for now. Time will tell. Buttons wise, definitely it feels, it's still clicky, but it's not as, I mean, in the first place the buttons were already quite short, so this will make it slightly harder to press, especially this one. But overall, yeah, if you want a good case that will protect everything completely, as the name suggests, this is 360, this is probably a good option. So yeah, if you want to see more random gadget reviews, do leave a comment and maybe I'll vlog about it next time. And as for what I'll use this for, I'll probably be using the iPad Pro to vlog on the go, edit videos on the go, edit photos on the go, and yeah, we'll see. So yeah, hit subscribe, like this video, comment, let me know what you think about it, and I'll see you soon.